myself Shyam C. Patil and my subject is accountancy. Now today our chapter is admission of the partnership firm and our topic is treatment of goodwill. Now in previous video all of you are already know how to find out the new profit sharing ratio, how to find out the sacrifice ratio, all that things you already know that. Now in this video we will discuss about how the goodwill effect given in a partnership account. That means our topic is treatment of goodwill. Now there are total main two conditions for goodwill. First, the following are the situation to treatment of goodwill. First situation, when new partner bring the goodwill and this goodwill is paid by incoming partner privately, at that time there was no general entry passed in the book of account. So again listen, when new partner bring the goodwill privately, at that time no accounting treatment is given. Second condition, when incoming partner bring the goodwill in cash. Now see here, when new partner bring the goodwill in cash form, at that time two condition is arising. Either existing partner retain the goodwill in a business, otherwise if the existing partner withdraw the goodwill from the partnership firm. So at that, in these two situations the general entry is different. See here general entry is given. Now in first situation, when the incoming partner bring the goodwill in cash and existing partner retain this goodwill in a business, at that time two general entry is here. First, when incoming partner bring the goodwill in cash form, at that time first entry is cash / bank account debit to goodwill account to new partner capital account. Okay, so this one is the first entry when new partner bring the goodwill in cash form as well as also bring the cash as a capital form. At that time entry is cash / bank account debit to goodwill account to new partner capital account. And second effect of goodwill, the goodwill account debit to old partner capital account. Now here the goodwill is distributed among the old partner as per their sacrifice ratio, and formula for finding out the sacrifice ratio you already know that old ratio, new ratio both are given in a sum, and sacrifice ratio formula is old minus new. Now second condition, if the new partner bring the goodwill and this goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner, okay, from the partnership firm, at that time first entry when he bring the goodwill in a cash form, at that time cash account debit to goodwill account to new partner's capital account. And second, first of all distribute the goodwill, so goodwill account debit to old partner capital account as per sacrifice ratio, and again third entry pass out for withdrawing, that means old partner's capital account debit to cash or bank. Okay, now students see here we have already discussed the condition. Now on the basis of this condition, see here sum. A and B are the partners of the partnership firm. Their profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. They admitted the new partner C as a new partner, and C has bring 1/4 share and C has bring the 20,000 as a part of his goodwill. Now pass the general entry in three conditions whichever we have already discussed. Okay, now first condition say here, if the goodwill paid privately, if goodwill retained in the business, and if goodwill withdrawn from the firm. So these are the three conditions, and as per our discussion we take one by one situation and pass the general entry. Now see first situation, if the goodwill paid privately, that means the new partner bring the goodwill privately, bring the goodwill and this goodwill paid privately to the old partner. At that time there was no entry pass out in the book of account. Now second, if the goodwill retained in the business, that means if new partner bring the goodwill in a business and existing partner want to decide to retain this goodwill in a business, at that time the two entries pass out in the book of account. First, when new partner bring the goodwill, at that time this entry is cash / bank account debit 20,000 to goodwill account 20,000, and this goodwill retained by the existing partner in a business. So second entry, goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital, 20,000, 12,000 and 8,000. Now this 20,000 is distributed as per their sacrifice ratio. Now here see the sacrificing ratio, sacrificing proportion is not given. So a new ratio is also not given. So whatever the old ratio is given here 3:2, that the same ratio is also for sacrifice ratio. And if you calculate with the 1/4, 1 minus 1/4, remaining profit 3/4, then you also got the same ratio. So whatever the old ratio is given, that is considered for sacrifice ratio. So 20,000 goodwill is distributed as per their old ratio, that means sacrifice ratio. So you got 12,000 and 8,000. Now third condition, say here, third condition, if the goodwill withdrawn by the old partner from the firm, at that time 3 entry is passed out. First entry, when new partner bring the goodwill, at that time pass the entry for bringing the goodwill, cash oblique bank account debit 20,000, goodwill account 20,000. Second entry, first of all, when new partner bring the goodwill, so first of all you distribute this goodwill among the partner as per their sacrifice ratio. So goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital as per their sacrifice ratio. So you got the A capital 12,000 and B capital 8,000. Now third entry for this condition, withdraw from the firm. So A capital account debited with 12,000, B capital account debited with 8,000 to bank account 20,000. So these are the main three conditions. These are the main three conditions for goodwill. Now out of these three conditions, again remaining two conditions are there. Suppose here these two conditions are first, okay, if these two conditions are, if old goodwill given in balance sheet, if old goodwill given in your balance sheet, at that time this goodwill distribute among the partners capital account debit side. So here partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Now here say, and this goodwill is distributed as per old ratio. Now say here again one more condition, if old goodwill is given in a old balance sheet, okay, at that time this goodwill is distributed partners capital account debit side as per their old ratio. So you got the entry partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay,